Many of us want to eat healthy, but few of us will actually do it. It does not need to be hard to eat better. If you want to develop healthier eating habits, learning as much as you can about proper nutrition is easy. Here are some tips that can get you started in a positive way. Here's a sneaky yet successful way to start improving your nutrition. Just sprinkle nutrient-rich ingredients into the regular staples of your existing diet. If you have some choosy kids, you can give them veggies without them knowing. You can do this by perhaps sneaking half cup of some white beans into something you bake, such as cakes and cookies. Your whole family will be eating healthier and they won't notice the difference. Do you like red meat and want to reduce the amount of red meat you consume? Then just eat red meat in very small portions. You can use red meat to add texture and flavor to grain-based or vegetable dishes. The Chinese and Mediterranean cultures do this, and they have lower chances of experiencing heart-related diseases. Are you a chocolate lover? So many of us are. Here's a tip for you. Choose dark instead of the white or milk varieties. Dark chocolate has been proven to help lower blood pressure. Antioxidants also tip the balance of HDL and LDL cholesterol toward the good HDL variety. Try to buy chocolate that has at least 70% cocoa. Do not overindulge, since chocolate still contains lots of calories. A smoothie is a delicious beverage that is also fun to make. Consider this tip to add even more nutrition to your smoothie. Try mixing in things such as omega-3 or cocoa powder to get a good measure of antioxidants. These two ingredients can make your smoothie taste even better and give you some more nutrients to boost your immune system. There are many great healthy recipes out there just waiting for you to try. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can prepare protein bars, jerky, dried fruits, and other healthy snacks. You can also make delicious, healthful oatmeal pancakes quickly and easily. You should never stop learning when it comes to nutrition. Make it a lifelong goal. These tips are just a few easy ways to eat healthier. Do your homework on healthy eating, it will be well worth the effort, and it's easier than you think.